The best affordable vintage car, Chevrolet Corvette, 1978. Creation history. The Chevrolet Corvette 1978 is part of the third generation of the iconic Corvette sports car, also known as the C3. The C3 generation spanned from 1968 to 1982 and is characterized by its distinctive design and performance. This car had three main advantages. The first, styling evolution. The 1978 Corvette continued the sleek and aerodynamic design introduced in previous years, featuring the distinctive fastback styling and pop-up headlights that became synonymous with the Corvette brand. The second, performance options. The 78 Corvette was available with different engine options, catering to a range of performance preferences. It offered a blend of speed, handling, and overall driving excitement. The third, T-top roof. Many 1978 Corvettes were equipped with a removable T-top roof, providing an open-air driving experience and adding to the car's allure. Interesting facts about the automobile. Silver anniversary. 1978 marked the 25th anniversary of the Corvette, and to celebrate, a special silver anniversary edition was released with a distinctive two-tone silver over grey paint scheme. Pace car for the Indy 500. A limited edition Corvette Indy pace car replica was produced in honor of the Corvette being chosen as the pace car for the 1978 Indianapolis 500. Power plant variety. The 78 Corvette offered engine options ranging from the base 185 horsepower V8 to the more powerful L82 engine, providing buyers with choices to suit their performance preferences. As of now, the Chevrolet Corvette 1978 has an estimated value of $5,000. However, the actual value can vary based on factors such as the car's condition, originality, and any modifications it may have undergone. The 1978 Corvette is highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. Well-maintained examples, especially those with unique features like the Silver Anniversary Edition, are considered valuable. Many enthusiasts appreciate the C3 Corvette for its distinctive styling and its role in Corvette's storied history. If you want more affordable vintage cars, subscribe.